What is this, George?
This is a Havilland DH86B Express.
86B.
Yeah, it's made by Chris Golds, the renowned aeromodeler,
Yeah.
fighter pilot, painter, oil artist.
He did everything, that guy.
He did everything. Amazing guy as well.
Yes.
In his 90s now.
Yeah.
But still with us, which is great. Another test flight. Let's hope this one goes a bit better than the last one.
Let's not talk about that.
We won't talk about that one. Right, I think we're ready.
Okay, good luck.
Thanks.
I don't think the passengers would have been happy with that one, but
No. But I'm happy with it. It'll fly again.
yeah. No, well done, George. For a first flight, that was pretty good. Oh, thank God for that. It looked like it was rocking from wing to wing.
It looked like CG wasn't right, didn't it?
Yeah. It was better at speed, but not so at the start of the flight, not so better slow.
Might need a gyro just to tidy it up, George.
If the CG's not right, then a gyro, yeah.
Yeah, just bung a little gyro in it and... Can you know
Beautiful.
I can do, yeah.
Well done, George.
Just the,
Enjoyed that.
basic aero.
What do you think? Because it flew better at speed
Yeah.
at the start of the flight.
It's not a light
If it's
model.
it's quite a light.
No, it's
uh,
not light.
It's not light.
No.
Oh.
No.
Well, I would have thought it would have been more stable in flight then.
You feel the feel the air.
Oh yeah, that is heavy.
It's heavy.
Relatively heavy. That's no bad thing in a bit of breeze.
No, but with small wings and things, but it is a biplane, so
Yeah.
yeah, it was odd.
You broken an axle, by the way, on one of the
Oh yeah,
wheels. Easy fix, I suspect.
easy fix.
Anyway, well done.
Thank you.
Yeah, I must have.